tomato plant growing tip. All right, before the tomato plant gets up here where it can be held up, what I do, I go and I buy these caramel apple sticks. There's 50 of them in a little package for $1. They're a little better than this little skewer thing. See the difference in the size? All right, so what you do is you just raise it up, put the little stick in there, and it holds it to help it get sturdier down here. And I also pull off these little things down here. I pull them off. I want the strength up above. Yeah, good luck, buddy. Yeah, look at those. Oh, by the way, check this out. I put this trellis on, if that's what you call it. It's actually a big fence. Check that out. It's arched. And let me tell you real quick what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know if the video is gonna work or not, but my plan is hashtag gourds for piff. That's right. So I was gonna grow gourds, and that's what that trellis thing is for. And I'm gonna make a video this weekend planting them. And if it turns out, and if I remember to hit the record button, you might get to see it. But I tell you what, you wanna see some cooking outdoors? And subscribe to Papa Texas. Hit the subscribe button and hit my dinner bell. And you'll be notified when it's time to eat. Yeah. Hope y'all have a blessed day, blessed week. Stay safe, stay healthy. We're getting through this. Yeah, it's Papa Texas. See ya. And you put that sucker right there. No, you don't. And you raise this sucker up. You put that stick in there like that, and it holds it up. Tomato plant growing. I can't do this. Oh, Papa. Tomato. Pause.